Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do affiliate marketing in 2021. I use Facebook page and group to do this method. So let's start. First of all, we have to find the affiliate product. To do that, I go to Digistore 24. You can go to Clickbank, JVC or any other affiliate marketing network. So in Digistore 24, I go to Marketplace. After that, I can select any categories on this list and promote product related to those categories. So I am going to promote product related to dating, love and relationship. So I go inside that category. Okay, now I am going to promote his secret obsession. If you like to promote any other product related to spirituality or health and fitness, you can just go inside those categories and find the product you want to promote. So after you select your product, you have to create a landing page. As example, I create this landing page using WordPress and Elementor. I already have few videos about create landing page for free. So follow those videos and create your landing page like this. In this landing page, I put my affiliate URL in this image and this button. In my create landing page videos, I will show you early step you need to do. Okay, now we have our product and we have our landing page. Now we have to create Facebook page. To do that, go to Facebook and click this plus icon. After that, click on page. Now you can enter page name. So enter page name related to your product. As example, in Digistore Marketplace, if you select this Metrico supplement, it's related to weight loss. After that, click on category according to your page. Also add description. I already create page related to love and relationships. That page name is love and relationship codes. Also I have video about how to promote affiliate product using this type of Facebook page. I will put the video link on description. So in that video I show you step by step process of create this page. Okay, now we have our landing page and our page. Next, I have to create a post. So I will click on create post and I will go to Digistore 24. In my affiliate product, I will go to affiliate support page. In here, I can find images and email swipes, banners and articles to promote this affiliate product. If I go to banners and click on image banners, I will skip this one. Sorry, I will go to image and videos and click on high convert in banners. I can get any of this banner. So I will open this banner in new tab. Basically I drag that image and drop it to here and it will open in new tab. Then I right click and save the image. Save it. Then I go to my page and upload this image here. Just drop it on here and it will upload it like this. Now I go to affiliate support page and go to image and video ads. Then click on text newsletter ad. In here I can get text and I can add my affiliate URL. So I will copy this whole text and like this and paste this content in here. Then I go to my landing page and copy this URL and I will paste the URL here. Then I will add emoji and make this more attractive. So I will add emojis like this. Okay, you can create post like this related to your affiliate product. You can find this content by when you go to affiliate support page of your promoting affiliate product, you can find those content. As example, if I go to, let's go to Marketplace and let's go to this Metrico product affiliate support page. In here I can find content to promote this product. So if I scroll down and there has email swipes, I click here to download the email swipes and open the zip file. And if I open this email swipe, I can find this content. So basically you can copy this text to your post and put your link. Then you can add this image as a image of this post. So it's really simple and I click on post. post. After I click on post, it will show like this. So be creative and create something awesome more than this. After that, I click on these three little dots and click on pin to the top of page. Now we have our Facebook page and promotional post. Then we have to create some content. To create content, click on create post and try to find valuable content. As example, you can find PLR articles and add those articles as a post. You can go to PLR websites and get content to create post. As example, I go to plr.com. In here we can find lot of PLR content. So if we search relationships, okay, I click on relationship category. Now we have products related to relationship. Now we have post related to relationship. So I click on this, how to propose like a gentleman, and I can copy the whole content and paste those content here. Okay, I will remove this link. After that, I can add some photos. So I can find photos on Pixabay. Let's search relationship. Then I can download photo like this and upload that image to this post. Now we can post it. As I told before, always give value. Without giving value, you will never gain trust of your page visitors. Okay, now we have content and we have pinned promotional post. Now we have to get more likes and more visit to generate sales. To do that, go to search bar of the Facebook and search tags related to your affiliate product. In my case, it will be relationship. Then in here we can find groups. So I click on this group tab. Now we can join with groups related to relationships. So if I click on my groups, I already join with those groups. Basically, you can click on this join group button and you can join with the group. When you join with the group, always join with your page, not with your profile. Join with your page. Click on join group and answer those questions and click on submit. So after you join with those groups, you can share content on those groups. So don't share any kind of spam content, just share valuable content. If you join with those groups with your page, you will be able to share content as your page. So that is the biggest advantage. When you share valuable content to you other people, they will come to your page and check your content, and when they come to your page, they will see the pinned message. That means they will redirect to our landing page. So this is the basic way to promote the affiliate product. As example, this person share this code via his page. So if I click on his page name, I will redirect to his page. So in here he have website. He don't have any pinned message, but when you share content via your page, people will visit your page and like your page. Also they will see the pinned message and they will definitely check that content and come to sales page. So here is one of best way to promote affiliate product via Facebook page and groups. Join at least 10 groups per day and keep share content. When you keep do this, you will be able to grow your page. But if you don't do the work, you will never grow any audience around your pages. As example, I just create this page, but I didn't promote this page. I just create this for example. So I never grow any likes on my page. So don't just create and wait. Always get action and try to make some sales. Always remember, action takers are the money makers. I will see you in next time.